How to delete data from apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and further tap on the iPhone storage option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view the list of all the apps on your iPhone, along with their storage space occupied. Now, scroll through and tap on the app from where you want to delete the data, and further tap on the Delete App option. And with this, the app, along with its data, will be deleted. You can then go ahead and reinstall the app from the App Store again if required. So, this is how you can delete data from apps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.